Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see Outlook web policy in Exchange Server 2016. We will create web policy for Outlook. This is our Exchange Server 2016. We already have some users here: administrator, Bond, James, Test. Now we will log into James user's Outlook account. Open another mailbox. Type the username james@macro.com. Click open. Just refresh the page. When we click on settings, we can see some options here: refresh, automatic refresh, display settings, manage add-ins, offline settings, change theme options. By change theme option, we can customize the theme. You can select any theme you want. Here are a lot of options. We have selected a new theme and click OK to save it. Let's get back to Exchange Admin Center. We will create Outlook web app policy for James user. Go to permissions, click Outlook web app policies, click plus for new policy. Put a policy name here. We are naming the policy user James. There are a lot of features that are enabled here. Communication management, instant message are checked. The user can use instant messaging, text messaging, unified messaging, mobile device contact sync. The journalizing options, we are unchecked it. The themes, we click to uncheck it. There are more options in advanced options. We are saving the policy. We have disabled some features for James user by creating a policy. Now we need to connect the policy to the James user. Click on recipients. In right side you will find email connectivity, Outlook on the web. This is enabled here. We are here for James user. Click view details, browse Outlook web app mailbox policy. You can browse here. We are selecting the new policy that we have created earlier, policy user for James. Click OK. Click save. The policy is now applied on James user. Let's relog into James user. User James, signing in. Click on settings. Now you can see that the change theme option isn't showing anymore. The background that we have changed earlier is now the default theme. If we log into another user, let's say admin is user administrator, logging in. Here you can see the change theme option. The option was unavailable for James user. We have successfully configured Outlook web app policy. this is how you can customize the web panel for a user's Outlook web app. Thank you all for being with us.